Want to make your reels even more captivating? Try reversing your videos. Let's learn how to do it directly within Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to start a new post. From the options that appear, select Reels. This will open the Reels creation interface. You'll now see the Reels camera. You have two options. You can either record a new video directly within Instagram or upload one from your phone's gallery. Let's record a new video. Tap and hold the record button to start recording. Make sure you record something dynamic. I'm just going to wave for this example. Release the record button to stop recording. Once you're done recording, tap the checkmark button on the right. This will take you to the editing screen. Look at the top menu for the effects options. The icon looks like a star. Tap that. In the effects gallery, search for the reverse effect. You might need to scroll a bit or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you find the reverse effect, tap on it to apply it to your video. You should immediately see your video playing backwards. After you are happy with the placement, tap Done in the top right corner to close the effects menu and confirm the effect. Tap the next button in the bottom right corner to proceed to the sharing screen. Here, you can add a caption, hashtags, and choose a cover image for your reel. Once you're satisfied, tap the share button at the bottom to publish your reversed reel. And that's it. Now you know how to create reversed videos directly in Instagram Reels. Experiment and have fun.